TeleBeam has been developed primarily for the conversion of think pattern roof trusses at nominal 600mm centres with a maximum clear span from 5.8 metres to 8.4 metres, depending on which system is used. Existing electrical cables and plumbing services affected by the works are relocated and extended where required. The equivalent of 3 rows of tiles are removed on the preferred elevation. The tile battens are also removed, together with the first line of felt. Existing loft insulation may be removed, bagged, and reused if suitable. Existing wall plates are packed up with timber to provide clearance between the telebeams and existing ceiling or noggins where provided. The total length of each telebeam required is checked by measuring over the outside of the wall plates. Outriggers are then extended to the required projection so that the total length of the telebeam is correct for the overall span. Aluminium angle plates are inserted into the gap between the top flange of the outrigger and floor beam. Grub screws are tightened to secure the outriggers and angle plates. Telebeams are positioned against either side of each truss throughout the length of the roof or as indicated on the beam layout provided. Multiple trimming telebeams are provided either side of the stairwell. The stairwell is formed with trimmers supported on hangers bolted to the telebeams. Where the truss braces meet the bottom chord, holes are drilled through the telebeams and fixed to all brace points. Ceiling collars are installed to the specific height throughout the roof, with collars bolted to the rafter section of each truss. Roof support stud work is formed with a horizontal sole plate and 1 stud per truss. The sole plate is fixed to the telebeams through the back of the angle plates, and studs then bolted to the rafter section of each truss. Construction is thoroughly checked, then braces are trimmed back flush with the telebeams and rafters. Building control will often wish to inspect prior to the cutting out of the braces. Insulation is laid under and between each telebeam to achieve fire and acoustic resistance. Chipboard flooring is laid over the telebeams, including storage areas under the eaves. Additional rafters are located beside the roof window openings and trimmers fitted, forming the window apertures and allowing installation of roof lights. Dormers are formed and the opening trimmed internally. The existing diagonal timber wind bracing restraint is replaced with plywood fixed to the sloping part of the roof. This completes the structural installation of TeleBeam. Roof insulation is fitted to building regulation requirements, including provision for vapour control layers and ventilation voids. The remainder of finishes are completed, including plasterboarding and all services.